Hello reptile enthusiasts, today we're immersing ourselves in the world of the Cuban False Chameleon, a captivating and unique lizard species that adds a touch of intrigue to your reptile collection. But before we dive into this fascinating world of Cuban False Chameleons, remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights into the captivating world of reptiles. These lizards are celebrated for their striking and chameleon-like appearance. While not true chameleons, Cuban False Chameleons possess remarkable color-changing abilities. They have a unique ability to change their colors, especially during breeding displays. This color-changing behavior is used for communication and thermal regulation, allowing them to adapt to their surroundings and interact with other individuals. While their color-changing abilities are not as extensive as true chameleons, it's a fascinating feature that adds to their appeal for reptile enthusiasts. Cuban False Chameleons often display vibrant green hues, with males sporting elaborate crests and dorsal spines. Their eyes can move independently, adding to their chameleon-like charm. They thrive in a well-maintained vivarium or terrarium with appropriate temperature and humidity levels. These lizards are primarily insectivorous, so their diet consists of a variety of insects and small invertebrates. Maintaining proper humidity and temperature levels, as well as offering hiding spots and branches for climbing, is crucial for their well-being. Cuban False Chameleons are relatively low maintenance and can adapt well to a properly set up enclosure. Cuban False Chameleons are a versatile and captivating addition to any reptile collection. Their unique appearance and chameleon-like behavior make them an excellent choice for reptile enthusiasts and collectors. In conclusion, Cuban False Chameleons are captivating and unique lizard species that can elevate the intrigue and fascination of any reptile collection. If you found this exploration as intriguing as we did, please give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more insights into the world of reptiles on our channel. Thank you for joining us on our journey through the world of reptiles. Don't forget to explore our other videos and subscribe to more informative content. Until next time, may your reptile collection thrive, and may your Cuban False Chameleons bring intrigue and natural beauty to your reptile keeping adventures.